night. It is so cold out there. I just dropped B off at nursery and yeah, shower, breakfast, tea, and then I'll crack on again with lots of work. I've got to tidy a little bit and I've got this course I'm doing, so yeah. Oh, and more woodwork stuff for the shed. So lots to do as always. I'll speak to you in a bit. Hey guys, okay, I've just done my course and my group call. It's a really, really lovely course that I'm doing. It's basically about content creation and working with brands and lots of lovely things like that. So yeah, I really enjoy our weekly group calls because we all get together and talk about what we're up to, and that's really nice. But I did basically say, actually at the moment I'm just overwhelmed. There's so much going on in my life that I'm just putting a little pause on this until January, and I think that is the right way to do things at the moment, because I was about to start a whole new chapter on building an email list, which I really, really want to do. I'm really excited about doing, but I will be doing it in January because I just can't take on another thing. I haven't even got out to the shed. It's nearly 3 o'clock and I've got to go and pick up B, and I didn't get any tidying done either. But I am doing something else at the moment which I can't tell you about. Top secret stuff, which is taking up suddenly a lot of my time. So hopefully by the end of Vlogmas I can tell you, but I don't know. I just don't know. But I will just have to leave you in suspense, but just let you know that there is something else going on that is taking up a lot of my headspace and time, and will hopefully be a very positive, exciting thing. That's all I'll say. Yeah, so so much. But I'm really happy that you're all here for the journey, because a few of my friends are saying, is it honestly a good time to be doing Vlogmas because you got so much on anyway? And you know, I've managed to streamline Vlogmas to the point where my edits are really quick. My internet speed is so much better than the last few years. I don't know if you watched me then or remembered, but it used to take hours to upload a video and to like even export things, and so it was ridiculous. Whereas now I've got super fast internet that my videos upload in like 10-15 minutes. So things like that have just made it so much easier for me, and I really love having you along for this journey, so I wouldn't change that for the world. But yeah, I'm just taking things in my stride a bit at the moment. Like today I was meant to do loads of other things. I haven't, but you know what? I gave myself a ridiculous to-do list that just isn't even feasible in anyone's world. So I need to kind of calm that down a bit and be like, what can I actually achieve in these hours that B's at nursery? And it's not as much as I think I can, I reckon. So then I kind of get to this kind of procrastination burnout stage where I'm like, oh, I can't do anything because I've given myself way too much to do. So I need to, going into next year, have like a real mindset shift where I can basically say, this is how much I can get done per day. And I've just got to make sure that I'm kind of giving myself little bite-sized chunks to do. Because yeah, otherwise I just want to curl up in bed. Or just chat to you guys, which means that I'm not doing what I'm meant to be doing. But anyway, I will just tidy the house before I pick up B. I've got like 15 minutes, so I'll tidy the house a bit because I don't want her to live in this state. It makes me a bit sad when I kind of like, when she can't even get her cardboard car through the corridor. So I'll do that. I'll stop talking, I promise. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, not a bad speed cleanup. At least I got to hoover the floors and put as many of B's toys away as I possibly could, and the Christmas box a bit higher up so it's not in the way. So she's got an actual play space. I cannot wait to get rid of this rug. It is so dirty. I can't clean it. I've tried. So I'm definitely going to put a new rug on my Christmas list because, yeah, I want one of those really like furry ones. They're really lovely. I don't know, who else is in your family picture, B?
And this one is Lindsay.
Lindsay, oh! And who else is in your family picture?
Oh, this one is a strange one. This is banana pudding.
Banana portrait is Mummy, Daddy B, Lindsay and banana pudding. Anyone else, B? Let's see, who else is in our family portrait? So who is it?
Raspberry pudding.
Raspberry pudding.
Mummy, Daddy B, Lindsay, banana pudding, raspberry pudding, and one more.
Nonny.
Ah, well, at least Noddy got in there somehow. This is very exciting.
I think this is the first ever, isn't it?
It is the first ever.
Right, you're going to come and take
Someone
this
is
out.
very excitable after nursery today.
That makes my bum sore.
I'm not surprised you're jumping up and down on my leg. Yeah, Ginger. What's this? Oh, it's your first ever school portrait. Shall I take that for you? It's a bit
Your
fiddly.
school photo.
I mean, I think we'll keep it in there, actually. So look. And we're going to get that put in a frame and we'll put it up on the wall.
Can I see it?
Do you want to show it to Mummy?
Oh, it's so lovely. That is
Well,
absolutely
we're going to keep it in there to
gorgeous.
protect it, because then when we take it to someone to get it framed,
Oh.
we can then kind of hold it.
That is so lovely.
Hello.
My little girl's getting so grown up. Do you know what I had to do today, B? I had to apply for schools for you, actual schools, because you're starting in September.
At school?
school. Absolute mayhem.
It's a little bit filmy.
It's a little bit fiddly. Yeah.
Once upon a time, there was a gingerbread Cheshire cat. He went to a school called Aphies. Inside, there were a lot of monsters called Aphies. They wanted to eat the gingerbread Cheshire cat. But oh no! The hand monster came at the Aphies and stamped the big bad wolf up. Yay!
Hooray!
I love it so much, B. I love the hand monster and the Cheshire Cat gingerbread man.
And you like babies.
I love the Aphies. I think they're brilliant.
And Batman.
And that man.
Batman.
Oh, Batman!
Be straight.
So this is what happens when you clear some room in the house. Look at this. Well done, guys. B, you're flying.
You want to get down?
You're
You
walking in the air.
ready? Walking in the air.
A lovely neighbour just dropped off some cupcakes, so Bee's having hers. Bee, what did yours have on it?
A bee.
A bee! And I've got a flower. And mine is very, very blurry. And we are playing the best game called I Found It by Richard Scarry. It is absolutely the best game, isn't it, Bee? It takes up a lot of room. But basically, you're either kind of moving across the board up to a boat that then goes to a ferry, or you're searching for things. Like at the moment, we kind of stopped for our cupcakes, but you have an egg timer and magnifying glasses, and you've got to search for certain things in the town and get as many as possible. And then the number you get, you move the across the board. It's brilliant. I love it. So let's carry on playing, Bee. Okay, it's time for my advent calendar. What is the date? The 8th? Are you going to help me? There we go. Can you open it, please, my love? Yeah, pop. Pop, pop. Hey! And pull, pull. Go on then, pull, pull.
Get this one.
You come and help. Ooh! Can you get them out? What are they?
I want them.
She want anything that we pull out of here. Let me see, B. It says, oh, it's little tags and it says handmade. So if I make you something, do you want me to put a little tag on it saying handmade? Yeah? Look at these, they're super cute. Oh, I love them. What a lovely little gift. So that was day 8, B. Wait, don't open any more. Okay, I think I better feed this little moomin Should we have supper now, Bibo?
No.
No. Oh, okay.
I would make.
You're so busy. You're so busy just running around with your toys. Okay, sweetie, you do that. That's a good. Oh dear, did you just pull that whole thing off? Oh, bing bong. I've just been tidying the room.
But we're playing treats.
Oh, okay. All right then. I'll see you in a bit, guys. I would like. Okay. Yes, I have. I would like a Hello Kitty on a scooter.
Okay.
Thank you. Ariel.
Yes.
And a bouncy ball, please.
You can have ours too.
Oh, thank you. Are you going to boop them?
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Boop.
Thank you.
Do you want to have go on my boop?
Oh, yes, please. Boop. Boop. Boop.
So how do I play it?
Bum bum, mango sailing on the road.
Mango sailing on the road.
Mango sailing on the road. Everything is dark in our whole world.
Everything is starting our whole world.
Everything is dark in our whole world.
Everything is dark. Is that because it's night time?
Yeah.
Everything is dark in our whole world. And then what?
This is my new ukulele.
B has a new ukulele.
No, that's not the next bit is
Yeah, go on.
everyone is having chicken pox.
Everyone is having chicken pox. I hope not.
And the next bit is I hope not.
I hope not. I hope not. I hope not. The mangoes are sharing on the road. Mangoes are sharing on the road. The whole world is getting very dark. Mangoes are sharing
This
on
one
the
is the best.
Everybody's getting chicken pox. I hope not. I hope not. I hope not.
I hope not. Hope not.
What's the next bit go like?
Let's do it very fast this time. Mangoes are sharing on the road. Oh, oh. Mangoes are sharing on the road. Oh, oh, oh.
The whole world is getting very. Cause mangoes are standing on the road.
Sharing on the road.
They're sharing on the road.
Because mangoes are sharing on the road.
The whole world is getting very dark.
That's listen to me from over here. Okay. Oh no! Don't come in.
Oh, okay.
What have you got?
What's this kid like? This is her bedtime, and she is coming in daddy's shoes.
You're late. You're late for a very important 8. Come on.
Go find your 8.
Right, what does an 8 look like?
Very
Is there a
good,
clue?
B.
Come on then.
That was super
You want Daddy
speedy.
to read it? You're looking already, aren't you? I love the look. She's constantly looking up there for it.
I'm not working.
Okay.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah,
She
so
can't even
where's my
look at
hand?
you.
Where's my hand? There we go. Where's my hand? You won't come over here and I'll read it then. Oh, right.
Oh, Dad, oh,
Here we go. What are you doing?
Oh, wow.
Okay, right. Are you ready? This is fine. 8th of December. Well done. Are you ready? Are you listening? Have a look. As you've been singing and singing so well, I now have a new Advent clue to tell. So go to the tree and look hard and well for a pony who loves to sing lovely songs as well. Go to the tree and look hard and well for a pony who loves to sing lovely songs as well.
Mm.
Oh, off she goes. Follow.
Oh. Oh.
it's not a rabbit.
No, it's a pony.
Pony who sings songs. Have you found it?
Oh, there she
I can't
is.
see her eye.
I know,
know.
that's a special pony. She's in the movie, isn't she?
Yeah.
And her voice is done by a pop singer called Sia. And Sia has hair like this that purposefully covers her eyes.
She can't see it.
She can't see her very well.
Happy 8th of December, everyone.
Ah. Okay, so that's the end of day 8. I can't wait to see what tomorrow has in store. I will see you then. Lots of love. Bye.